You started strong. Pre-trade checklist, behavioral scorecard, decision matrix, all of it. First few days felt good. Now, you're slipping. Skipped the checklist twice, forgot to journal. Moved a stop because it felt right. You're wondering if you're broken. You're not. You're in the resistance phase. This is where systems break down for everyone. The beginning runs on fresh start dopamine. New system, new you. Excitement carries you. Motivation is high. Then reality hits. The novelty fades. Checklist feels tedious. Journal feels like busy work. Your old habits whisper you don't need this structure. This is the resistance phase. Predictable, normal, where most traders abandon their systems. What's happening in your brain? You're building new neural pathways. Checklist, journaling, decision matrix are new behaviors competing with old patterns. Your brain has a highway for emotional trading. Fast, familiar, automatic. Your systematic approach is a dirt path. Slow, effortful, conscious. Your brain defaults to the highway. This is neural pathway competition, not personal failure. The resistance phase is where the new pathway either dies or starts to pave. Quit now. The dirt path disappears. Push through, the pathway gets stronger. Every time you use the checklist when you don't want to, you're paving. Every time you journal when it feels pointless, you're paving. Resistance isn't a sign you're doing it wrong. It's a sign the pathway is forming. Most traders misinterpret resistance as system failure. Checklist isn't working. Journal doesn't help. Process is too complicated. Wrong. The system is fine. Your brain is resisting change. This is expected. Traders who succeed aren't more disciplined. They just expected this and didn't quit. The resistance protocol. 3 steps to get through resistance without abandoning your system. Step 1. Expect the resistance. Stop being surprised that maintaining a system is harder than starting one. It's supposed to be. Motivation fades. Novelty wears off. This is the timeline for everyone. Knowing this prevents misinterpreting normal friction as personal failure. You're not failing. You're experiencing resistance. Step 2. Reduce the bar, not the system. Resistance isn't the time to add complexity. Simplify execution. Instead of all tools perfectly, pick 2 and nail them. Pre-trade, checklist, and journal. That's it. Execute those 2 consistently. Don't abandon the system. Reduce the execution bar temporarily while the pathway strengthens. You're being strategic about neural pathway formation. Step 3. Track the streak, not the outcome. P&L doesn't matter during resistance. Consistency matters. Did you use the checklist? Yes or no? Did you journal? Yes or no? Mark it on a calendar. Building a streak. The streak is your win, not profit. The streak proves the pathway is forming. Watch what happens when you apply the protocol. Resistance feels hard. You expected this. Not surprised. You use 2 core tools, checklist and journal. Execution bar is lower, achievable. Mark the calendar. Streak continues. Next day, same thing. Resistance still there, but you're not quitting. Day after, still using the tools. Pathway getting stronger. Eventually, checklist feels slightly less tedious. Journal slightly less pointless. You're not motivated, but you're consistent. That's the shift. What you're avoiding. Most traders hit resistance, think system failed, abandon it, revert to emotional trading, blow up, search for new system. Cycle repeats. Different system, same resistance phase, same abandonment. They never stay long enough for the pathway to form. They mistake pathway formation for system failure. The reality check gives you different framing. Resistance is progress. If checklist feels tedious, That's your old pathway fighting back. Good. Keep using it. If journaling feels pointless, that's because new behavior hasn't automated yet. Good. Keep journaling. Every repetition is paving. You're not looking for motivation. You're looking for repetition. Over time, the checklist feels automatic. Journal feels necessary. Decision matrix feels obvious, but not when resistance hits. When resistance hits, it's hard. You execute anyway. Not because you're motivated, because you understand pathway formation and you're choosing the new path. During resistance, your only job is survival. Keep two core tools alive: checklist and journal. That's it. Don't worry about perfection. Don't add more. Survive the resistance phase with your system intact. That's the win. The pathway is forming. You just can't feel it yet. It gets easier. But you have to push through resistance first.